If you want to connect a Zapier bot to Instagram and send updates straight to Discord, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can build the automation, test it, and publish it without getting lost in the Zapier editor. This is a great workflow if you want Instagram activity to trigger messages in a Discord channel, or if you simply want a clean automation between the two platforms. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button. This is where you start building a new automation from scratch. Click Create and then choose Zap Workflows. That takes you into the workflow builder where you can connect your trigger app and your action app. Now we're going to set up the trigger first. Click on Trigger to choose the app that starts the automation. In the app search bar, type Instagram and select it from the results. Zapier will then ask you to choose an event. If you're not sure which option to use, select any event that fits your workflow or the one suggested by your setup. After that, log into your Instagram account when prompted. This step connects your account to Zapier so it can monitor the activity you want to use as the trigger. Once the Instagram trigger is connected, it's time to set up the action. Click on Action to add the next step in the workflow. In the app search bar, type Discord and select Discord from the list. Just like before, Zapier will ask you to choose an event. For this setup, choose Send Channel Message. That tells Zapier to take the Instagram trigger and turn it into a message posted inside a Discord channel. Next, log into your Discord account when prompted. Make sure you grant the correct permissions so Zapier can send messages to the channel you want to use. After the account is connected, you'll continue through the setup screens. Click Build It at the top to move forward in the editor. This is where Zapier lets you configure the details of the automation and make sure the data is flowing the way you want. Before publishing, you always want to test the workflow. Click Test Run and let Zapier simulate the automation. This is an important step because it helps you confirm that the Instagram trigger and Discord action are working correctly together. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust the setup before making it live. When the test is successful, the final step is to click Publish. That activates the Zap and makes your automation live. From that moment on, your Zapier bot connection between Instagram and Discord is ready to use, and that's it. You've now linked Zapier to Instagram and Discord, built the workflow, tested it, and published it. It's a simple but powerful automation that can save you time and keep your Discord community updated automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.